Are you a parent who's ever been caught off guard when your child looks you in the eye and says these heart-wrenching words, "I hate you"? It's like a dagger straight to the heart, isn't it? Well, hold on. Today we're going to dive deep into what those three little words really mean. And more importantly, how you can turn that moment of conflict into opportunities for growth and understanding in your parent-child relationships. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll be equipped with valuable insights and strategies to navigate through those challenging moments with grace and empathy. If you're visiting for the first time, I'm Dr. Taniesha Burke, your positive parenting coach, and welcome to our channel. Before we go on, I have a huge favor to ask. We're a growing channel and we're almost at 500 subscribers. If you are listening or watching us and you're not a subscriber, we encourage you to hit the notification bell and the subscribe bell because, it helps us to get into the algorithm for more parents to get the information that we are sharing. So join us as a subscriber so we can spread the word on positive parenting. As parents, we're no strangers to challenging moments, but few things can pierce the heart quite like hearing your little one utter these three dreaded words, "I hate you." It's a phrase that can send shockwaves through even the most seasoned parent. However, amidst the hurt and frustration, there lies an opportunity for growth, understanding, and ultimately a stronger bond between parent and child. So, what does it really mean when a child says, "I hate you"? Understanding the root of this phrase is crucial in navigating through the storm and emerging with a deeper connection with your child. Now, let's look at the root cause of children using this phrase. I would encourage you to grab a pen and paper to make some notes, and as I'm going through the causes, to reflect on your own relationship with your children, especially if they've said these words to you, so that you can begin the process of making the necessary changes. The first reason why a child might use the phrase "I hate you" is that it may be a form of emotional expression. Children often lack the vocabulary and emotional regulation skills to express complex feelings, and that is especially so with toddlers. "I hate you" might be their way of expressing anger, frustration, or hurt. The second root cause to the phrase "I hate you" is that your children might be seeking boundaries. Sometimes children use strong statements to test boundaries or assert their independence. Saying "I hate you" could be their way of pushing against limits they perceived as unfair or restrictive. The final root cause that we'll cover today is related to unmet needs. It could be a sign that something deeper is troubling your children. Perhaps they feel misunderstood, neglected, or insecure about something happening in their relationship with you or in their lives in general. Now that we know that when our children scream "I hate you" at us, it could be related to a form of emotional expression, setting boundaries, or the fact that they have an unmet need. Now that you know the cause, let's look at how you as parents can repair that relationship whenever your child says the phrase. The very first thing you need to do as a parent is to remain calm. In the heat of the moment, it's easy to react defensively with anger. However, as parents, it's so important to remain calm to de-escalate the situation. When you remain calm within yourself, what you do is that you pave the way for meaningful dialogue. And you also let your children know that it's okay for them to be vulnerable and open with you, and they don't have to hide their pain from you because of the fear of how you're going to react. Tip 2 is to validate their feelings. Even if you disagree with their statement, acknowledge their emotions. Phrases like "It sounds like you're really upset right now" show empathy and open the door for further discussions or conversations. Encourage open communication. Create a safe space where your child feels comfortable expressing their feelings without fear of judgment. Let them know that their feelings are valid and that you are there to listen to them. Tip 4 is to reflect and learn. Take a step back and reflect on what might have triggered their outburst. Is there an underlying issue that needs addressing? And that you can do by reflecting on the 3 causes that I mentioned earlier. Use this as an opportunity for growth and understanding within your relationship with your child. And our final tip is to model healthy conflict resolution. Demonstrate positive ways of resolving conflicts by apologizing when necessary, compromising, and actively listening to each other's perspective. It's also important for very young children that you express your emotions when you are experiencing them. You can say, I'm happy, I'm feeling sad, I am worried. This way, what you're doing, you're teaching the vocabulary of emotions, and you're teaching your child that it's okay to express their emotions in a very healthy way. You now understand the 3 main causes of children saying, I hate you, and you now have 5 positive parenting tools that you can add to your parenting toolbox that you may use the next time you hear your child say to you, I hate you. While hearing I hate you from your child can be distressing, it's important to remember that it's often a temporary expression of emotions rather than a permanent sentiment. By approaching the situation with empathy, understanding, and a willingness to communicate, you can transform moments of conflict into opportunities for growth and connection. As parents, our ultimate goal is not just to raise obedient children, but to nurture strong, resilient individuals capable of navigating life challenges with grace and compassion. And sometimes that journey begins with a simple phrase, I love you no matter what. We hope that you feel empowered from this video, that no matter what, when your children say, I hate you, you have the tools because you know the root cause and you have some positive parenting tools that you can use to fix it and build connection with your children. We will love to hear from you, so please leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you so much for joining us, and goodbye for now.